Yell at me when.
Whenever they get to 2.
Going.
Go ahead. And use everything, because,
We died.
Cool down what my gauge was. Kill it. Good job. Alright, middle.
Poggers!
Alright, remember your mitigation if you see it's gonna wear off. Now.
Sheet of bugs.
I'd recommend to turn the music off because it's very intense and it scared me when I first got that.
Panicking. Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Everyone.
I'll call out
we all died,
Yeah, we're all so
outrage.
we're gonna listen to Alexa.
Yeah, I'll call out where the X flares are, and then just run to the empty spot where the X flares.
I have third and fifth Mortify.
And I have second and fourth. No, definitely attack.
Yeah.
Summon pets, do whatever you need. Give the dance partner back there. Alright. Keep him where he's facing for the tank buster, don't turn him.
Which is...
Stack it. Alright, then stack first. Stack.
Stack where?
Under.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
I got it. I got it.
We're gonna look to the X. They're going to be coming from behind us. There's the first one. And now. And there's that one.
That was a buster.
Oh, okay, we have to leave. Alright, just stack this. Just stack this. Yeah, just spread. Just spread.
Spread out.
Yeah, spread. Alright, now come back. It's gonna be extra. Pull in the middle. Pull in the middle. Alright, now we're going to look for the extras again. There you go.
I can't really. No, I got her already. I just went after her. This is.
Oh, this is the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now the busters. If you have invul, might use it. Middle? Yeah. You're gonna leave him too. Yeah, whoever that's on. Oh then it's supposed to be in the middle. Good luck. Don't you get fucking near me. Go away.
Nice.
You can call them as soon as I see them. Alright, stack under. Alright, now... Yep. X flares. And they're behind us. And then it's gonna be the tank buster first. And you can pop LB if you want to around. Oh,
I got her.
Remember, they'll take it at the wall.
Yep.
Right where we're standing.
And then I have the addle for this one. Alright, under. And then after this, we're gonna drag him to the middle. Get under. And middle. Oh!
Ooh.
Wait. Oh, no, we can't res anyone. Just kidding. They're coming from 3. Does anyone have just north, south, east, west cardinal markers, like at the wall? By any chance?
No.
We should make one so we can swap it to that one for this phase, because we don't need any of the A, D.
No, you can't
Can't
swap
switch.
the markers.
Oh, you can't? You can't even
No.
switch. Like, that's so stupid. I hate
It
that.
still counts us as in